On the Ickonic.connect, the news show this week, biodiversity. Ooh, that's good. Rewilding. Ooh, let's have some of that. Sustainability. Ooh, who wouldn't want that? But what are these buzzwords that are everywhere? What do they really mean? Well, not what we're told they mean, for sure. Then cluster bombs, horrific cluster bombs, are being handed over by the United States to Ukraine, it's only because they care, despite being banned because of their horrific nature by a long, long list of countries, including those in NATO. And then there's the robber who walks into a shop and demands, "Give us your cash." And the people ignore him, carry on chatting. He looks around and leaves. Why don't we do that with the global elite? That's the Ickonic.connect, the news show, which you can see on Ickonic.com from 7 p.m. every Friday, and you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.